In 2005, you could have actually bought Cheetos lip balm, but that changed when Frito-Lay realized people weren't actually using it. After launching a line of Cheetos-themed merch, they introduced one of the weirdest products ever, a lip balm that tasted and smelled like cheesy chips. It was part of a marketing push to make Cheetos more than just a snack, and while a few hardcore fans thought it was funny, most people were totally grossed out. The lip balm came in a twist-up tube and smelled exactly like powdered cheese. Despite the weird hype, Frito-Lay quietly pulled it off the shelves not long after.